Minista wa urimi Mutahi Kagwe nianirire itanya ria thirikari ria kugacirithia urimi wa macani kuria atariirie mamwe ma makinya maria thirikari yoete niguo kwagirithia urimi uyu.
Continuous training for our farmers is one of the things that we want to change in our farming system. So training for two people, the extension officers, and Governor, what we want to do is that we want to certify people from a college as a trained extension officer with a certificate, and a certificate for an extension officer. The second thing is
Kagugite thirikari ni ihotorete kunyitirira urimi wa macani, akiuga kuri na thoko ya macani ma bururi wa Kenya mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja, akioya kanya kau kũria arimi matigirire ni mararima macani mari na gikiro kia iguru.
Hii ingine the other, you talked about the bonus pandemic and the earning pandemic as it is. You know, when you have got a pandemic, there is one thing you have to do. You have to be very careful, because if you treat it normally, if we continue to treat these situations normally, they can treat us very abnormally.
Kagugite ministry ya urimi ni kunyitanira na thirikari cia matura niguo kwagirithia motungata ma urimi, akiuga ataramu ni megukorwo magithiururuka matura-ini niguo guthomithia arimi njira itiganite cia urimi uyu, ari hamwe na kurora wagiriru wa tiri na njira cia kwagirithia macani gatagati ka mangi.
Extension officers, agripreneurs. This is the one area, Governor, I want to support you and we work together in agripreneurs. People to visit farmers kwao nyumbani and to advise them about the quality of tea because it is not enough tumwambie farmer improve your quality na hakuna mtu anaenda kumweleza. So to improve your quality, this is what you need to do, and that is what you need to do.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Nduta wa Buthia.